Okay, am I the only one? Yes, it's my middle finger. Can you see that? Am I the only one that slams their finger in the drawer? I'm out there trying to get something out of the drawer and boom. Yeah, it's throbbing, it's swollen, and it's angry. It's like, you hurt me, what you gonna do? So, going after my essential oils here. Let's see what we're gonna use. What are we gonna use? Where's my deep blue? Right here. Let's use some deep blue on it. Cause this baby is hurting. Ooh. There we go. I didn't break the skin open. If I did break the skin open, I'd probably use lavender, and I would use maybe the Correct-X, you know. Maybe I would even just go get some Bactracin ointment, right? Because it's got some properties that we would need, and the Bactracin ointment would be over the counter. So I just diluted it with some jojoba oil. It's good for the skin. And let's feel the relief coming on. Anyway, yeah. Listen, I am the one, okay? Because I've slammed my finger in the car door before. Like, there's a hole in the middle of the field, I'll fall in it. So there you go. But happy healing to my little finger. So it's already starting to feel better. I feel the heat coming in and taking away some of that pain. So it's still throbbing, but I've got to give it a few minutes. All right, take care.